Hello and welcome to the Shares Card Bulletin, your quick update on key developments across the unlisted and broader market space delivered with clarity and without hype. In today's bulletin, we cover major updates around IPO activity, mutual fund performance, legal developments and the renewable energy sector. So let's get started. First up, SBI Mutual Fund's SBI PSU Fund Direct Plan has delivered approximately 390% absolute return over past 10 years. The fund has also generated SIP return of over 20% across 3, 5 and 10-year periods, indicating consistency over different time horizons. The performance has been supported by a strong rally in PSU stocks, which has benefited funds with higher exposure to government-owned companies. Consistent fund performance can support AUM growth, investor inflows and profitability for asset management companies. This in turn may influence the long-term perception of value for the unlisted parent entity SBI Mutual Fund, although the actual outcome remains dependent on market conditions. Next up, Naira Energy has filed a case in Delhi High Court against SAP India Private Limited over the suspension of critical software services. SAP had halted services in September 2025, citing European Union sanctions linked to Naira's association with Russian oil. Naira argues that its contract is with SAP India, an Indian entity governed by Indian law, and therefore EU sanctions should not apply. SAP, on the other hand, maintained that it relies on its German parent company and must comply with EU regulations. This issue is significant because SAP's ERP system formed the backbone of Naira's operation, including finance, supply chain, and refinery operation and compliance as well. The case highlights broader concern around the impact of global regulatory actions on Indian companies, particularly in critical sectors like energy. Next up, Insolar Energy Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center. The partnership focuses on strengthening structural validation for renewable energy technologies. Under this collaboration, CSIR SERC will provide testing, technical evaluation and analytical support to ensure safety, durability and reliability of energy infrastructure. This initiative reflects the growing importance of scientific validation and research-based development in scaling clean and green energy solutions in India. Last up, National Stock Exchange of India has appointed 20 merchant bankers for its long-awaited IPO. Key participants include ICICI Securities, SBI Capital Markets, Axis Capital and JM Financial. The IPO is expected to raise around 23,000 crore and it's likely to be structured as an offer for sale, where existing shareholders dilute their stake. At SharesCard, we aim to keep investors informed about important developments so that you can stay updated on the broader market landscape. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.